welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Great Tutor, and what I do here, I solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can use for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you are watching my video for the first time, I want to appreciate you, and I want to ask you as a technical drawing student, subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on the notification bell, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. You are going to learn here, and I want to tell you that you need to practice this subject. It is very important that you practice it so that you can master it and be able to solve any problem that comes your way when it comes to technical drawing. And I'm still working on isometric problems, and this textbook that I'm holding is Engineering Drawing 1, written by Pickup and Packer. I'm on page 165 of the textbook. Now I want to show you how you can draw the isometric view of this object, as we are given the orthographic views in first angle projection. It means this is the front elevation and this is the plan. So, and what I'm going to do here is that because of the dimensions of this object is a bit large, so I'm going to divide each dimension by 2. That means I'm drawing half size of the given dimensions. So let's talk about the dimensions in the front elevation. As we have it, the distance from this center line to this end here is 64 millimeters. The thickness of this thing is 20 millimeters. The thickness of this is 20 millimeters, and also distance from here to here is 40 millimeters. From here to here is 65 millimeters, and this is point A. So very important. Then coming to the plan, we have that this is a square, and the length or side of the square is 75 millimeters, and also this is also a square. The length or side is 50 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 150 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 100 millimeters, and this is also point A here. So let's go and see how we are going to put these dimensions together for us to produce the isometric view of this given object. So what you need to do here, the first thing that we need to do here, as you can see here, is to draw a horizontal line in this direction. Draw a horizontal line, and then so with your 30-degree set square, so I'm going to draw a line in this direction. Okay, then I will also draw a line in this direction. Okay, so don't forget that I said that we are drawing half size of the given dimensions. So I will take a vertical line up here a little bit like this. So, and this is point A now. So in my own drawing, so this is point A as we are given there. So this is point A here. All right, so let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do is to produce this base. I will produce this base. So this base is in rectangular form. So distance from here to here is 150. I'm using 75. When I divide 150 by 2, distance from here to here is 100. I'm using 50 when I divide to 2. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And then the base that I'm producing is also a part of it. This is the front elevation of the base. This is the front elevation of the base, and this is the top view of the base. So I'm going to take a measurement of 75 millimeters. So this is 75 millimeters here. So I would like to get half of it, that is 37.5. that is the midpoint of that. So this is 37.5. okay. All right, so what I will first do is that I will produce this shape in the front elevation, the front elevation of the base. I will produce this shape out. Then you will see how we are going to get the remaining part of it. So so here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I draw a vertical line here. So, and as we have here that distance from here to here is 40, so I'm using 20 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters here now. So I'm going to transfer this. So I'll transfer this to the other side. So I'll transfer this to the other side like this. So, and then I will take this to this side. Okay, I will come back to that. So let's bring out this shape as I said here. So thickness here from here to here is 20. I'm using 10. So I will take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So from here to here, this is 10, and I will also take 10 millimeters here. So this is 10 millimeters. So also the thickness of this part from here to here is 20. I will take 10. So I'll just come here and take 10 millimeters. So from here, take 10 millimeters down. So this is 10 millimeters. So here I will transfer this. I'll transfer this to the other side like this. Then here I will draw a vertical line here. And here also I'll come to this point and draw a vertical line here. So this line I will need to draw from here. I will see a line that will go in like this at this point. So looking at this, the shape has come out. So all I need to do now is to transfer this. So I'll be transferring this point to this side like this. Okay, so and as we have that, the width, so the width from here to here is 100. So I will take 50 instead of 100. As I said that I'm drawing outside of this object, so I will take 50 millimeters. So this is 50 millimeters here. So here I will draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line. This is a vertical line. Then I will transfer this to the other side. Transfer this to the other side like this. Okay, so this is how the base is going to look. So the half that I did here, that is center. I want to use to get the center of this. So I'm going to take a center line here. So I will transfer this from here. Transfer this to the other side. Alright, so I will also divide this 50 by 2 to get the center. To get the center, I'm coming to show you something concerning this. Excuse me. So this is 25. So I'll transfer this as center line to the other side. Alright, so now, so these squares that we have on this surface, so is at the center. So I will start with the external one. I need to start with the external one. So that is 75. 75 by 2 will give us 37.5. So I divide 37.5 by 2. That is going to be somehow. So what I will do is that I'll just take it as 30. I'll take it as 38. As 38, 37.5, just approximate to 38. So 38 by 2, that is 19 millimeters. 19 millimeters. So I will take 19 millimeters from the center here. So I take 19 to this side. This is 19 millimeters, and I will also take 19 millimeters. So from here to here, this is 19 millimeters. So I will form a square. So I will also do the same thing. So I will take 19 from the center here. Is a square, so I will take 19 millimeters to this side, and I will also take 19 millimeters to this side here. Okay, so here I'm going to form a square here. I believe you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to form a square. Okay, so here I will draw this line like this, then I will turn it here, so I'll draw this. Okay, so I bring it to this point and also draw this line in this direction. Okay, now, so from each of these points, I will draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line here. So here I will draw a vertical line, and here also I will draw a vertical line. I don't have to draw it for the O4. So these vertical lines that I've drawn, so let's see what we are going to bring out from this. As we have here that the distance from here to here, the height of this thing from here to here is 65 millimeters. That is talking about this square here. From here to here, 65. If I divide 65 by 2, that will give me 32.5 to 32.5. So I'll just take a measurement of 32.5 from here. So coming to this point here, I'll take 32.5 millimeters. So this is 30, so this is 32.5 here. So I will transfer this to the other lines to form a square on this face. So I will transfer this. So I will take this. So take it to this side, and I will also bring it here. So bring it here. So I'll transfer this to this side, then I'll transfer this to this side. Alright, so that is the external square that we have here, the outer one. So the inner one, the length of side is 50 millimeters. So half of 50 is 25. So half of 25 is 12.5. So what I'm going to do here now, so half of this, so I will need to get the center of this surface. So I'll just try and take this up here. So here I will take this up. We have already located the center at the base here. So here now I will now transfer this as center line like this, and here also I will transfer this as center line like this. Okay, so I've located the center. So I will now take from this center here. So let's see it very well. Okay, so I want you to see it clearly. So from this center here, I will now take 12.5 millimeters. So here I will take 12.5 millimeters. So this is 12.5, and I'll take 12.5 millimeters down. So this is 12.5, and here also I will come here and I will take 12.5 millimeters here. So here also from here I will take 12.5 millimeters. So I'm going to form this square. So here is it. So here, so I will draw this line like this. So bring it here. So bringing it here. So I'll draw this line like this. Then here, so I'll draw this line, and here also I'll draw this line. Okay, so the square is already there. So let's bring out the shape with our thick line. So I'll just start from here. So the object is already completed. Just have to bring out the outlines of the object, and that's what I'm doing right now. That is the visible part that we can see on the object. So that's what I'm bringing out right now. Okay, all right, so this also, okay, all right, so this is not completed yet because it's a square hole. This is a square hole. So for me to show that it's a square hole, if you leave it like this, you are not correct. So you need to do what I'm going to do right now on this face. So just draw a vertical line from this point. So draw a vertical line down here like this. So this shows that this is there's a square hole in here. There's a square hole here. Okay, so then I'll make this. So this is a thick line from here to here. This is also a thick line, and this is also a thick line. Okay, so I'll make this also a thick line from here to here. So also I'll make this a thick line. Okay, so this is a thick line from here to here. So this is also a thick line from here to here. Alright, so this is a thick line from here to here. So this should be a thick line from here to here, and there also is a thick line. Alright, so this is how the object will look, and we are done. So this is the shape that we are expected to produce with this given isometric orthographic views. So it's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice it. When you practice it, you surely master it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. keep on practicing, and God bless you.